Well, good morning, good morning, good morning. So I am about to clone this jacket and make me another jacket. And as you see, I got the fur laying down. And when you guys doing the fur, make sure the fur is going in this direction when you cut it. Because if you do it that way, it'll be upside down. So make sure that you look at it. Because one of my jackets I was running off at my mouth like I normally do. And I had sewn the fur upside down. So please pay attention to the direction of where the fur is going before you cut it out, because you will wind up cutting it out upside down. And then your coat, people probably won't notice it, but you will notice it, you know. So just don't do that. So I'm taking this jacket and I'm folding it. I'm bringing the sleeves in and I'm going to trace it out. Get all the pieces I need, cut it out, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys, okay? But if you see, I'm just I'm gonna put it on the fold, trace it out the correct way. Okay, I'll be back. Well, here's all the pieces cut out. These is the two front pieces, and this is the flip over. So when a coat flips over, you will see this. That is the back piece, and those are the two sleeves. I will cut out the lining, but it made such a mess. So those are all the pieces. I just have to cut the lining, but I'm about to make me something to eat before I finish this task. Alrighty, those are all the pieces you'll need.